Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make hummus. This is my mom's recipe. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a food processor. You're going to need a quarter cup of tahini, quarter cup of lemon juice, half teaspoon of ground cumin, half teaspoon of salt, half clove of garlic chopped, 1 can of chickpeas washed and drained. So let's get started. First, we're going to put in tahini. Lemon juice. And now you want to pulse it for about a minute. Now we're going to put in our ground cumin. Then you want to put in your salt. Then you want to put in your garlic. And now you want to pulse it again. So now that we've finished, you're gonna want to add half of your chickpeas, and now you want to pulse it again for about a minute. So now we are going to add the other half of the chickpeas. And we're going to pulse it again for about a minute or two. Now we are going to add a little bit of water. So that's your hummus. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and leave a like.